Hello everyone, so today I did this look right here. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. Ever since I got this palette, I have been super inspired by this shade right here called Throne. I've been wanting to put it all over my lids since I got it. I was a little nervous to try it because I don't typically wear looks like this. The grungy dark looks are just harder for me to do. They take a lot more time, and being a mom of two, I don't always have all the time in the world. My amazing husband watched our girls for me so that I could film this look for you guys. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and then also ring your notification bell so that you guys are notified for all my future videos. It's just that little bell right down there. Click it so that I pop up on your screen. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then just keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start out by priming my eyes. I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This is just basically to kind of help the shadows stick to my lids, but then also block out all the veins that I have on my eyelids. And since it really isn't a good setting color in this palette, there's not like a bone white or anything like that, I am going to just take my Makeup Forever HD finishing powder, and I'm just going to take that on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to use this to set that concealer down. So first I'm going to go in with this shade called Unity. I'm going to use a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply that into my transition area and in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the shade called Eden. I'm just going to take this on that same fluffy brush and just do a light layer of that on my transition area and crease. So now I'm going to take this shade called Lore. I'm going to take this on a more dense brush, and I'm basically just going to play this on my outer V and then drag it into the crease. And then with an even smaller brush, I'm going into this brown shade called Parallel. Again, just going to pack this on the outer corner of my eye, slightly bring it into the crease. So now I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm just taking this on a flat shader brush. I'm just going to place a little bit on the back of my hand. And I'm basically going to put this everywhere where I want that green shadow to be. And then I am going in with the shade Throne. I think I'm going to start out with my finger, and then I'm going to spray my brush. With this shade Lucid right here, and I'm just placing that on my inner corners. Now I'm going to go in with some liner. This is my Physicians Formula Eye Booster. I'm also going to take a black eyeliner and I'm going to tightline with it. I'm going to take a makeup wipe and basically just use this to clean up any of the fallout underneath my eyes. So I'm going to move on to my face makeup. I'm just going to run through this pretty quick. I just want this to be about the eyes so that this video isn't a million years long. Okay, so for the bottom lash line, I am going to start with Eden. I'm just taking this on a pencil brush and I'm just lining it along my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Lore and I'm going to put that from my outer corner to about middle of my eye. I'm going to take that same Pixi highlighter that I used for my highlight and I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone. I'm just going to curl my lashes and throw on some mascara. And I'm using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Okay, I keep debating on if I want to go in with these Ardell Lash Trios. I think I might. Hopefully I don't just ruin everything I just did. Okay, so I'm going to try putting those on off camera. Because it might take me a while, so I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I freaking love these. These were super easy to put on, and I just put the short ones on. I did 3 on each side, and I just put them from the outer to the inner. And I don't feel them on my eyes. They're not heavy, so for me, for somebody who doesn't wear a whole lot of fake lashes, these are working really, really well. So I'm going to go in with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipstick. This is in the shade Salt Life. Alright, so I am just going to fix this mess of hair and I'll be right back. Alright, and here is the finished look. I'm actually really excited for the way it turned out. Then again, I'm not, a makeup artist. So with it still looking a little rough, I think it's, not too bad for my first time doing a, concealer and all that jazz. I don't think it turned out half bad. So I'm still kind of branching out a little bit. I typically wouldn't wear a look like this, so I've just been wanting to go out of my comfort zone and try different things, and this is definitely something different for me, but I'm kind of really liking it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.